Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to gift games on Steam. Alright, so let's begin with the video. As you can see, we're currently here on Steam. So the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to your friends. So if you come up to the top left-hand corner and hover over your username, and from this menu, you just want to come down and click onto Friends. Now what you can do from here is add your friends if you haven't already done so. As you can see, I've already got a friend here, which is the person I'm going to be gifting a game to. Now, once you've done that, you want to come up to the top left-hand corner, go to the store and search for the game that you want to gift. So in this example, I'm going to go for Terraria. So I'm just going to click this to be taken to the game page. And what you want to do is just go ahead and add this to your cart. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is you're going to get a screen like this. You want to come down and click on to view my cart. And that's going to take you across to a screen like this. Now, if you actually look underneath the game, you've got a little drop-down box here. And what you want to do is give this a click and click onto this as a gift. Once that's done, come over to the right-hand side and press the blue Continue to Gift Options button. What you can now do is select your gift recipient by clicking this button here. And what you can now do is choose who you want to gift this game to. So that's going to be this person here. So this is all set up ready to go. All you need to do now is come to the right-hand side and click the Continue to Payment button just over here. What you can now do is proceed to purchase a game. So just go through the purchase options and choose how you want to pay for the game. Once you've done that, you're going to get a confirmation screen and the game will be gifted to your friend. So that's basically how you can gift games on Steam. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.